If you've ever struggled to find a bronzer that doesn't look muddy, orange, or fade after a few hours, you're not alone. The right bronzing powder can warm up your complexion, sculpt your features, and give you that sun-kissed glow without looking fake or patchy. In today's video, we're breaking down the top 5 best bronzing powders that truly deliver. Whether you're aiming for a natural warmth or a contoured definition, there's something here for every skin type and tone. Let's dive in and transform your glow game. Kicking off our list at number 1, Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. The Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer is a cult favorite that blends the best of luxury performance with everyday wearability. Infused with real cocoa powder, it delivers a rich matte finish that warms up the skin without shimmer. Loved by makeup artists and everyday users alike, this bronzer is designed to offer a seamless contour or sun-kissed glow on light to medium-deep skin tones. Its iconic chocolate scent adds a touch of indulgence to every application. Key features. This bronzer features a matte formula with finely milled powders that blend easily into the skin. The infusion of antioxidant-rich cocoa powder not only offers a delightful fragrance but also nourishes the skin. It's available in multiple shades to suit a range of undertones, and its pigment payoff is consistent without being too harsh, allowing for a buildable application that works well on different face shapes and makeup styles. Benefits and usage. The Chocolate Soleil bronzer is ideal for creating soft contours or warming up the face naturally. It's perfect for those who prefer a matte finish over shimmer, making it especially flattering for oily or textured skin. Whether applied with a fluffy brush all over the face or a contour brush under cheekbones and jawline, the formula blends like a dream and stays put without needing midday touch-ups. Usability. Designed to be beginner-friendly yet professional-grade, this bronzer is pressed to perfection, making it easy to control how much product you pick up. It doesn't kick up a lot of powder, minimizing mess and waste. Whether you're setting your cream contour or using it alone, it layers smoothly without patchiness, making it a dependable staple in both minimal and glam routines. Durability. The wear time on this bronzer is impressive. It typically lasts 8 to 10 hours without breaking down, even on combination skin. Because it's matte, it also holds up beautifully in humid conditions without melting off or oxidizing into an orange hue. The sturdy packaging with a mirror makes it travel-friendly and perfect for touch-ups, although you likely won't need them. In the second spot, we have Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. The Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer is a drugstore darling that has earned a devoted following for its creamy texture and tropical scent. It's a unique hybrid between a cream and powder, offering an ultra-blendable formula that melts into the skin for a natural-looking glow. Perfect for everyday use, it's especially great for those with dry or mature skin who want bronzer without the cakiness. Key features. What sets this bronzer apart is its blend of Muramuru butter, Kubwaku butter, and Tukima butter, ingredients native to the Amazon and known for their skin-nourishing properties. This formula delivers a radiant satin finish that mimics natural skin while providing hydration and a soft focus effect. The bronzer comes in several shades and includes a sponge applicator, though it applies best with a brush. Benefits and usage. If you're after that effortless beachy glow, this bronzer does the job with minimal effort. The formula melts into the skin and never emphasizes pores or fine lines. You can use it all over the face or target cheekbones, forehead, and jawline for sculpting. It layers well over foundation and doesn't disturb underlying products. Its satin finish also makes it suitable for no-makeup looks. Usability. The buttery texture makes it incredibly easy to apply, especially for beginners. Even if you over-apply, the bronzer blends out beautifully, making mistakes virtually impossible. It works well on bare skin too, making it a quick go-to product for those rushed mornings or last-minute outings. The packaging includes a mirror and sponge, though most users prefer a standard brush for the best results. Durability. For a satin finish bronzer, the wear time is impressive. It generally lasts 6 to 8 hours without fading, even on normal to dry skin. It won't oxidize or cling to dry patches, which is a common problem with many bronzers. While not completely transfer-proof, its hydrating formula keeps skin looking fresh throughout the day without the need for heavy touch-ups. Coming in at number 3 is the MAC Mineralize Skinfinish. The MAC Mineralize Skinfinish Natural is a baked mineral powder that offers a more subtle bronzing option for those who want a radiant, your skin but better look. Though not a traditional bronzer, it's widely used in deeper shades for warming up the complexion and setting makeup with a healthy glow. It's lightweight, non-cakey, and versatile enough to function as a bronzer, setting powder, or finishing veil. Key features. Made with MAC's slow-baked mineral formula, this powder includes nourishing ingredients like vitamin E and shea butter. It has a slightly luminous, satin finish that catches the light without being glittery. Available in a wide shade range, users often choose a few shades deeper than their natural skin tone to use it as a bronzer. The formula is breathable and doesn't clog pores, making it suitable for everyday wear. Benefits and usage. This product is perfect for someone who wants their bronzer to double as a skin-enhancing powder. It can be swept across the cheekbones, forehead, and perimeter of the face for a diffused warmth. Because of its buildable nature, you can go from a subtle sun-kissed tint to a softly sculpted face without looking overdone. It's particularly flattering for dry and combination skin types. Usability. The Mineralize Skinfinish Natural applies effortlessly and works well over both liquid and powder foundations. It doesn't require any special technique, just a fluffy powder or bronzing brush is enough to distribute the product evenly. You can even use it solo for those no-foundation days when you just want a touch of life back in your face. Durability. While it's not the longest-wearing bronzer on the list, it offers decent longevity, up to 6 hours of wear before you might need a slight touch-up. However, its skin-blurring effect remains intact, making it great for touch-ups throughout the day without it looking heavy or cakey. The baked formula also means a little goes a long way, so the pan will last you a long time. Taking our fourth spot is Fenty Beauty Sun Stalker. The Fenty Beauty Sun Stalker Instant Warmth Bronzer is a matte powder bronzer that set new standards when it launched, thanks to its inclusive shade range and buttery smooth formula. Created by Rihanna's Fenty Beauty, this bronzer is designed to flatter every undertone, from the fairest complexions to the deepest skin tones. It's a go-to for those who want strong payoff with a natural finish. Key features. With 9 shades specifically curated for different undertones, this bronzer provides medium to full pigmentation in one swipe. The formula is lightweight, talc-based, and oil-free, making it ideal for all skin types. It applies evenly without streaking or patchiness, and the rich pigment blends smoothly without turning ashy or orange. Its sleek, hexagonal packaging with a mirror adds a modern touch. Benefits and usage. Whether you're sculpting your cheekbones or warming up your entire complexion, Sun Stalker gives you the control to build your look. One pass gives you natural warmth, while layering intensifies the contour effect. It's fantastic for both everyday wear and glam looks. The matte finish helps minimize the look of pores and works especially well for oily and combination skin types. Usability. What makes Sun Stalker stand out is its effortless blendability. Even with its high pigment, it blends seamlessly, which makes it surprisingly beginner-friendly. It works great with a wide variety of brushes and doesn't skip or cling to dry patches. Because of its smooth, talc-based formula, it can also be used on the eyes as a contour shade in a pinch. Durability. This bronzer has serious staying power. Expect 8 to 10 hours of wear with minimal fading. Even in humid conditions or under stage lights, it stays in place without getting blotchy or separating from foundation. It's perfect for long days, events, or hot climates when you need your makeup to last all day without touch-ups. And finally, at number 5, we have Charlotte Tilbury Filmstar. The Charlotte Tilbury Filmstar Bronze and Glow is an elegant 2-in-1 palette that combines a sculpting bronzer with a complementary highlighter. This luxury compact is designed for creating the ultimate red carpet-worthy contour and glow. With finely milled pigments and a soft focus finish, it offers sophistication and performance in one sleek package, making it a favorite among celebrities and pros. Key features. The bronzer side has a subtle shimmer that adds dimension without sparkle, perfect for enhancing your natural bone structure. The highlighter is luminous and refined, not glittery, offering a lit-from-within glow. The formula includes silica for smooth application and finely milled pearl pigments for radiance. It's available in 2 versions, light to medium and medium to deep, covering a fair range of skin tones. Benefits and usage. This palette simplifies your routine by combining bronzing and highlighting in one product. Sweep the bronzer under cheekbones, around the forehead, and under the jawline to sculpt, then use the highlighter on the tops of cheeks, brow bones, and bridge of the nose for a soft glow. It's perfect for subtle, elegant looks where less is more. Usability. The powder blends effortlessly and layers well without ever looking cakey or chalky. Its buildable nature means you can control the intensity depending on your look. The included mirror and chic packaging make it travel ready, and it's easy enough to use for daily wear yet special enough for big events. Durability. The wear time is excellent, up to 8 hours of solid wear with very minimal fading. Both the bronzer and highlighter stay in place and retain their original tone throughout the day. The formula doesn't oxidize and resists creasing, making it reliable for long wear. It's an investment, but one that pays off in quality and longevity. Whether you're a bronzing beginner or a glow-getting pro, choosing the right bronzer makes all the difference. From the rich matte of Too Faced to the glow-enhancing Charlotte Tilbury, there's a perfect pick for every face shape, skin tone, and style. These 5 bronzing powders have stood the test of time and texture. So, if you're ready to elevate your everyday look or master the perfect sculpt, one of these bronzers might just be your new holy grail. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to glow with confidence.